Google just released something that changes the math on how much an SEO service actually costs to deliver. It is called Gemini Spark, and it is not another chatbot you open when you need an answer. This thing runs continuously in the background, monitoring competitors, tracking keyword shifts, watching for ranking opportunities, even when your laptop is closed. Most SEO monitoring platforms charge you $199 a month to do exactly what Spark does for free. And here is the part almost nobody is talking about yet. The one prompt structure that makes Spark's competitor monitoring actually return something you can hand to a client. Not just data, but a move. I am walking you through that at the end, and it changes how fast you can turn this into a deliverable. I am Paul James. I help solo operators and freelancers build service businesses using AI tools that give them leverage without the subscription overhead. And listen, if you want the full system for turning tools like Spark into actual monthly income, my daily deposit course is linked in the description. Normally $197, but viewers of this video get it for under $30. That price is only showing for people coming from this video. So if you are thinking about it, grab it while it is there. Drop a comment and let me know if you are heading over. I want to see who is in. Here is the thing about SEO work for local businesses. The deliverable is not just building the page once and walking away. It is monitoring what Google is doing, tracking when competitors publish something new, catching ranking shifts before the client even notices, and showing up with the next move already mapped. That is what turns a one-time setup fee into a retainer. But most SEO platforms that handle that monitoring, SEMrush, Ahrefs, Moz Pro, run $100 to $200 a month. And before you have landed your first local client paying you for SEO, you are already paying that subscription just to have the capability sitting there. There is a reason those platforms show up in every agency course you have ever seen. They pay well to be recommended. That is worth knowing before you hand over your card. Gemini Spark flips that entire model. It is an autonomous agent, not a chatbot. You do not open it and ask it a question. You give it a task once. Monitor these 5 competitors, track these keyword trends, watch for Google algorithm updates, and it runs that task continuously. You close your laptop. It keeps working. It reports back when something moves. Google calls this a 24/7 AI agent, and that label is accurate. This is the first time I have seen a free tool do what used to require a paid monitoring stack. I am calling this the background intelligence framework. Most tools wait for you to prompt them. Spark operates on a standing instruction. You set the parameters once, and it executes in the background until the conditions you defined are met. Then it surfaces the result. That shift from reactive to autonomous is what makes it possible for someone running SEO services to stop checking dashboards manually every morning and still deliver the same level of monitoring a client expects from a paid retainer. Let me show you how this actually works. Gemini is the thinking layer. It writes, it researches, it plans. Spark is the execution layer. It watches, it tracks, it reports. Spark is not replacing Gemini. It is the part of Gemini that never stops running. You do not need a separate subscription. You just need to know how to configure it so the output is something you can actually use with a client. Here's what most people do not realize yet. You can tell Spark to monitor your client's top 5 competitors for new blog posts, new pages, and new backlinks, and then identify which keywords those competitors are targeting with the new content. That used to be a manual process. You would open 5 tabs, check each site for updates, cross-reference the keywords in an SEO tool, and try to figure out which of your clients' existing pages should be updated to stay competitive. That workflow takes an hour minimum. With Spark, you configure it once. It monitors continuously. It delivers a ranked summary every week with the exact pages your client should update and the exact keywords to go after. That is a $400 monthly SEO retainer built on a tool that costs you nothing to run. Think about what just changed for someone offering SEO to local businesses. 1 configuration session with Spark. 5 competitor sites monitored simultaneously. Every new post tracked, every keyword move logged, every ranking opportunity flagged before the client even sees the shift. That used to require either a paid SEO platform subscription or a full day every week doing it manually. Spark does it continuously in the background, and the infrastructure cost is 0. That is the difference between an SEO service you can afford to offer before you have clients and one you cannot. Let's keep building. Now here is the second workflow, and this one is where Spark actually starts to feel unfair. You can tell it to monitor Google Trends, AI news from OpenAI and Google and Anthropic, and posts from X and Reddit, and then deliver a daily ranked list of the top 5 content topics your client should publish to capture search volume before everyone else does. That workflow is the difference between reactive SEO, where you are always catching up to what already ranked, and proactive SEO, where you are the first person writing about something the moment search intent spikes. Most content strategy services bill this as a premium add-on. Spark makes it a default capability you can offer every client without adding overhead. Now, most people take what I just showed you and try to hand it to a client as is. That is where it falls apart. Spark delivers raw intelligence. A client does not want a list of competitor blog posts. They want to know which of their existing pages to update, what content to add, and which keywords to prioritize this week. There is a format you wrap Spark's output in that turns intelligence into a directive. That is the difference between data and a deliverable. I am showing you that exact format in about 60 seconds. And listen, if you have not grabbed my daily deposit course yet, it is still linked in the description for under $30 instead of $197. That deal is only showing for viewers of this video. It walks you through the exact system I use to turn free tools like Spark into actual client retainers. Drop a comment if you are heading over to grab it. I want to see who is in. And if you want to see what my day looks like now, that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Here is a real scenario. A local dentist wants to rank higher in Google Maps and start showing up for more search terms in their city. You set Spark to monitor their 5 closest competitors, other dental practices within a 10-mile radius. Spark tracks every new service page those competitors add, every blog post they publish, every citation they build. Every Monday morning, Spark sends you a summary. Competitor A added a page targeting emergency tooth extraction near me. Competitor B published 3 blog posts last week about Invisalign. Competitor C built backlinks from 2 local directories your client is not listed in yet. You take that intelligence, wrap it in a 1-page action plan, update this page, write this post, claim these citations, and send it to the client. They see you staying ahead of the competition without them having to ask. That is why they keep paying the retainer. The tool monitoring all of that in the background costs you nothing. The retainer is $350 a month. That is the margin most SEO platforms eat before you even start. Now, here is the formatting piece I promised you earlier. When Spark delivers competitor intelligence, you do not forward the raw output. You restructure it into 3 sections. What moved this week, what that means for your rankings, what we are doing about it this week. That format turns Spark's monitoring into a strategic brief. The client does not need to understand SEO. They just need to see that you are watching the market and responding faster than their competitors are. That repackaging step is what makes Spark's output billable. Most people skip it and wonder why the client does not see the value. You show the value by translating intelligence into action. Let me show you one more angle. Spark can monitor Google algorithm updates in real time and cross-reference which of your clients' pages might be affected based on the type of update Google just rolled out. That is the kind of insight agencies use to charge a premium for because it required someone on staff checking Google's announcements daily and running manual audits. Spark does that monitoring autonomously. You configure it once to watch for core updates, spam updates, and ranking volatility across your client's keywords. When something moves, Spark flags it and suggests which pages need adjustments. You deliver that to the client the same day Google announces the change. They think you have a team. You have a free autonomous agent running in the background. Picture what the next 30 days look like once you have Spark monitoring 5 local clients. Every Monday, you wake up to 5 weekly summaries, 1 per client, showing exactly what their competitors did, which keywords are trending in their market, and which of their pages need updates. You did not lift a finger over the weekend. Spark was working. You take those summaries, reformat them into action plans, send them out. 5 clients, 5 retainers, $350 each, $1,750 a month in predictable income, and the tool running the monitoring infrastructure costs you $0. That is what changes when an autonomous agent replaces a manual workflow. You are not trading time for money anymore. You are trading configuration for leverage. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.